Renee?
Ma'am?
Come here, let me talk to you. Cause me don't know how you act so drowsy like say something wrong with you. What is wrong with your child? What is... Are we texting us? I said, what is wrong with you? What you say?
I'm pregnant.
You what? You're pregnant? Renee, you're pregnant? Renee, you gonna take up belly and you just left high school? Eh? You gonna take up belly and me why you go college? You want to tell me, say, who you pregnant for?
John.
John? Who the hell is John? Who is John? Who you pregnant for? Who is John?
You live up the road.
Look here, take up the phone. Call John because we need to talk to him. Get the phone and call John. Dial the number. Come in, imagine me have plans for you. Eh? You take up, look.
Yeah, I think
Give me the phone. Hello? John? Yes, you know me daughter Renee. Is our mother. Now go ask me why me I come behave so. Come down on me yard right now. You know where Renee live. Me sure no say you know where Renee live. Come down on my house right now. You hear me? Alright. I need to talk to this John because something has to be done. I mean, we don't know where to take up my papa. I feel like how that. Renee,
Ma'am?
me tell you, say the man abandon you, you know. How John not come yet?
Team parking car down the sun will come.
Which car?
The one day.
That pretty car down there, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
I him parking?
Yes,
I him
ma'am.
that a come?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
Alright.
Oh, where's your mom?
She's inside.
I'll tell her here.
Mommy, come.
What you say?
Come, John Ridge.
John Ridge?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
come in. Young man?
Good afternoon, mom.
Good afternoon. Have a seat. Get up. Must have manners. This is an important issue.
What's wrong, man?
Are you aware that you get my daughter pregnant?
Am I gonna be a father?
If you're going to be a father,
Am I gonna be a father? Well, I have a lot of plans for her, mom. You know, from day one, I was planning to buy her a car, a newer car.
you're going to buy us a car?
Yes, personally, you're gonna have your personal vehicles. And I'm based on the fact that she's bringing my child, I have to get her even a house.
A house?
Or whatsoever she wants.
Just because she pregnant?
Yes, what if she's carrying my child? Trust me, I'll do anything in this world for her.
So you have
Anything.
money?
My father was a very rich man. Even my mom. And they died and leave a lot of riches for me. And I'm doing my own business. I have a lot of business.
So she's supposed to go to college?
That's no problem, mom. I can give her anything she wants. Any amount of money, anything.
And then she's supposed to grow up and take care of me?
I will take care of you, mom. You don't have to worry about that. You get everything you want.
All
Everything.
because she's going to have a child for you?
All because she's gonna have a child for me. It's really special. You know, it's been a while since I've been trying to get a child, but I haven't found the right person. And seeing this is my true love. And I'm gonna get a child. Oh, this is the greatest thing about to happen to me in this world. It's the greatest thing. Yes. Mom, just consider everything, all of your wishes completed. Done. Just say.
All for a child?
Yes, all for my child. But if she have a miscarriage, or loses the child,
Just get her pregnant again. Shut up! Just get her pregnant again. You hear me? Say if she loses it, fix up yourself and pull the pants. Just squeeze her belly. And then I tell herself to take care of the baby, you know. Me find out that she get pregnant and me happy about them. I tell herself to take care of the baby, you know.
how haven't you told me about this?
So if you ever make the baby lose, just get her pregnant again, you hear? It was nice meeting my son-in-law.
It's a pleasure, Mom. It's a pleasure.
It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Go up to your. I'll be making food for you.
Yeah.
All right.
You know, I have a busy meeting to attend to. You know, I have to be leaving right now. Okay. I'll see you later.